Alrighty, fan collectors, what we're looking at here today is a 52-inch white and brass Hunter Brentwood hugger ceiling fan. Got this from Habitat about a week ago now, last weekend. It's in pretty good shape. It's got a few scrapes on the fan itself. Not many, but it's in pretty good shape. It's got all the blade arms have this bubbling. You can kind of see it's like a sandpaper effect on them, but it's not that noticeable. It's got the wingtip blades on all of them. One of these has a scrape. In fact, it's this one right here, right there. It's the only minor thing going on with the blades here. Got the bleached oak side up. Unique design. It's got like a octagon type housing and switch housing. I think that's what that is. It's got the some nice glass goes along with it, I think, pretty well. Light kit's clearly not factory, but yeah. All right, we'll give it a demonstration now. Here's the light. I'm using 40-watt General Electric, like flicker, not flicker, but flame type bulbs. It looks something like this, but they're like they got a design on them, as you probably saw. As you can see, it's got the average Hunter low. It's not too fast. I mean, it's, you know, it's a low speed. It's got a normal, pretty normal low speed. Performance is alright. It's like your average Hunter Summer Breeze pretty much, but I imagine with if I were on a drywall ceiling, it'd maybe move less air, but I could be wrong. This is just my test rig. This thing might make its way up to my bedroom eventually. I don't know yet. I kind of like it, but yeah. There was another one of these, as you probably saw in my last restore video. That was its brother, but I put that one out. That one was a little nicer than this one, but I took this one since it had this type of glass to it. And then again, I could have taken the other one and put the glass, this glass that's on this one, on the other one, and put the other one's glass on this fan and put this one out for sale. So yeah. All right, we'll take it up to medium now. Let's say whoever had these before, they were probably lightly used in the original household. And it's funny because they both came in a later, like an early all green Hunter box, and they got replaced by Studio Series, the type with the 4 lights. So that was interesting. This fan's kind of hideous, but at the same time, it's kind of beautiful. But yeah. I also don't see these pop up that often, so that's probably, and that's the other reason why I got this one. All right, we'll take it up to high now. runs good. It doesn't hum. It doesn't have any bearing noise as far as I can hear. Again, I think this thing was lightly used in the original household that it was in. And, you know, the breeze is average. It's not overwhelming. It's not very little, but it's good enough, I like to call it. Give you the around the world tour. Look, view, whatever you want to call it. Slightly bent. Doesn't really wobble that badly, but the wooden blades are also worked, so that's why you're seeing that. I forgot to look at the date on this. I'll do that right after spin down's done. All right, spin down. Again, I think this is a nice fan. It's not too ugly. It's not, you know, it's nice. It's not too hideous, as I said. Not sure how long these were, not sure when they started making these, but not sure when they stopped production of them. Probably in the late 90s, I imagine. A few of the ends of the blades on this fan are a little bit nicked, like not chipped, but they've got some scrapes, I guess. But it's minor. Alright, spin down is stopped. I'll give you a closer look at what bulbs I'm using for this thing too. That's what they look like. I think they go along with the lights pretty well. The glass, whatever you want to call it. Alright, where's this tag? There it is. It is from the second quarter of '94. So there you go. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.